This wine started as raw grapes 5 months ago, and today I'm gonna find out if I totally ruined it or made something amazing. So let's wreck it. Back in September I started making my own wine from scratch. No kit, no shortcuts, just red and white grapes. And today is the second wrecking. This is where most homemade wines either get better or get destroyed. I crushed the grapes in September, fermented them for a week and did the first wrecking in November. Since then it's been slowly clearing, settling and building alcohol. My last measurement was at 13%, which honestly surprised me. In a minute I'm gonna show you the bottom of this bottle, because that's where the real story is. But for now, let me show you my setup. Wrecking is basically transferring clean wine away from the sediment. That sediment is dead yeast, grape skins and tiny particles. If you leave it too long, it can mess with the flavor. So this step is about clarity, taste and long-term stability. This is the part where I always get nervous, because months of waiting comes down to not messing this up in the next 10 minutes. I'm using a wrecking cane. Try to not disturb the sediment too much to get the clearest result. And this year the color is way lighter than I expected. Mixing red and white grapes made this a perfect rosé. And this is what we get. Clearer, brighter, no cloudiness. That's a really good sign. Five months ago this was just fruit. Now it's real wine. And honestly, it never gets old. And this is what we get. A second wrecking is not always necessary, but for a natural wine like this, it helps a lot. It reduces off flavors, improves aging and makes the final bottle much clearer. So if you're doing this at home, don't skip this step. Alright, moment of truth. Wow. So, this is what 5 months of waiting tastes like. Wow. It's not finished yet, but it's definitely becoming real rosé. And here's the thing, in August I'm bottling this. This is the final step, from raw grape to bottle. So if you want to see this whole story from A to Z, subscribe now. Because this year we're finishing this story, and after that we start all over again.